Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales here today looking at this 2019 Peterbilt 348 dump truck with 17-foot load lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. We got the Hendrickson steerable lift axle on this truck here, and it has the Peterbilt air track suspension with 46,000 pound rear ends on it. So even though it's got the little 348 cab, still has the 20,000 front and 46 rears. And this load lane dump body has 3/16 wall, 1/4 inch floors, got the heavy duty apron on there. We got the oval LED lights with reverse lights in the center of the LEDs on this one, as well as the pintle hitch. We got that adjustable 2 inches up or down. You can see those extra holes we got on there. So it's kind of the nice things with this particular tow hitch that we're using. It is adjustable, and we drill those extra holes on pretty much all of them. And on this one we got the 4 side bed lights. No lights on the top rail on this one. It does have the high lift tailgate with the air cylinder in that rear post there, as well as electric tarp system. So this is definitely a nice truck here. 20,000 pound front axle on it. Just those are actually removable tow hooks right there. Got the nice new Bridgestones, super fat tire, as you can see. This truck has the Packard PX9, which is the same as the Cummins L9, and we actually did a video on that showing a comparison of the two, and they are identical engines for the most part. And definitely a fresh one here, only 16 miles on the odometer. And Allison auto transmission, got the lockers, Jake brakes, everything. Definitely nice setup here. And we have our mechanical control package. That's our standard setup there, probably the most reliable way, but we got a bunch of different control options, and this does have the full size rear back window on it. Nice gray cloth seats. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.